all the doo-da day. Shut up! You dogs never learn to shut your trap. Unlike us raccoons, of course.
Could I borrow that file for a sec?
My nail file? Here, knock yourself out. But what would you use this file for, anyway? What? Wait, let me guess. Are you going to clean those filthy nails of yours? Or maybe you're gonna chew on it? Oh, wait. Or maybe you're just going to dig a hole and bury it like you do with your bones? But anyway, I just don't understand the purpose of why you even do that in the first place. It's like... Ooh, I love him! And by love, I mean loathe him.
Don't go away, folks. We'll be right back. We're back. Boy, am I going to get what's coming.
Look at that, Rachel. Now that's what I call a sandcastle.
It's so beautiful, Hunter. I wish I could live in it.
You know, me and you make a pretty good team.
Yeah.
Oh, look, a sandcastle. Let me remodel it for you.
Beach bullies are so predictable.
You said it, Hunter.
Rachel?
What do you want now?
Can you blow up this beach ball for me?
Must I do everything for you?
Thanks, Rachel. You make a great beach ball.
I hate you so much. If any of you post this on DeviantArt, I will rip... Hunter, Brazilian waxes are for women only. What the?
Oh, you're finally awake. My master needs a new hat for his birthday, and what best to do is make him a coon skin hat.
Think fast, Rachel. You need to lose your head before you lose your head.
Any last words, you trash panda?
Well, if you're going to kill me, try to slaughter me with something a little more 21st century like that chainsaw over there. Ha!
Ha! Missed me.
Good thing I took those Kung Fu lessons, and my friends thought they were useless. Well, who's laughing now?
No good selfish farmer and that stupid dog has no heart for fuzzy, hungry creatures like me. If they won't give me food, I will steal it instead. Now, the question remains, how am I going to sneak in? Of course! I'll sneak it through the well, known as the farm's water supply. Most farmers today still have their houses running off of well water, not because it's old-fashioned, but because it's their way of avoiding water charges. You know what I mean. It worked! I'm in! Mommy? What's the deal?
Look what I